Star Wars: The Last Jedi, Matthew Wood and Ren Kleiss.
And the Oscar goes to Dunkirk, Richard King and Alex Gibson.
This is the first Oscar nomination for Alex Gibson, the fourth win and sixth nomination for Richard King. He previously took home Oscars in this category for Inception, The Dark Knight, and Master and Commander, The Far Side of the World.
Thank you. I'd like to thank the Academy, to my awesome crew in Burbank, all my friends and colleagues at Warner Brothers, Chris and Emma, wherever you are. Thank you for including me in this amazing trip. It was an amazing film about an amazing event. Thank you. And all my love to my wife, Sue, and my son, Sam. And thank you for putting up with me prattling on about Stuka sirens for months.
Richard?